Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer Solana from Binance to your Phantom wallet. This is going to be a very easy process, and make sure to like and subscribe if you find this video useful. Now, in case you haven't made a Binance wallet yet, Binance is a great platform that allows you to exchange from cryptocurrencies to fiat currencies, which means that you can transfer those crypto or Solanas that you have to direct USD or euros. And you are in a great position because we offer for you a great deal. You can just simply scroll down ahead to the video for the first link in the description. As you can see, if you sign up for this link, you get 20% fee discount plus €100 bonus. And also you can find the same link in the top pinned comment. As you can see, currently we are on the Binance application, and from here we're going to go to the wallets, and then as you can see, Solana is right there. We're going to click on it and then click on withdraw. From here you're going to send via crypto network, and then from here you're going to choose the Solana network. Now go to your Phantom wallet, and from here you're going to click on receive. Once you do that, you're going to click on the network that you like, which is Solana, and then we're going to copy it. From here, you're going to go back to Binance, click on the address, long press, and then paste this address, and then click on whatever amount you would like, for example, 0.001. But be careful because the withdrawal amount is at least for 0.1 Solana, which is going to be around $23.69. But that's pretty much it. Once you send it, you will receive it right here on the main page. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.